Hello and welcome to my very first video here on the channel. My name is Caleb Moreno, and in today's video we're going to take a look at how to create a macOS High Sierra ISO image installer. Alright, so the very first thing we need to do is head on over to the Mac App Store so that we can download macOS High Sierra. Now once you are at the Mac App Store, you can either search up macOS High Sierra, or because this is the latest operating system that Apple does offer, you will see it right here. You can just click on it. So either way, all you want to do is just get to this page right here. Now once you are at this page, you will want to click the download button that is right here if it does not say open. If it says open, that means you've already downloaded it, and it should be in your Launchpad or application drawer like it is right here. But if not, just click on the download button and let it download. Now it may take some time depending on your internet speed, but anyway, just let it download, and once it's done, you will be ready for the next step, which is to create the bootable ISO image installer. So the next thing you'll need to do is head on over to the description and download this text edit file, which I will leave a link for in the description. Download it and open it up, because it has the terminal commands that we will need to run in order to create this ISO image file. Now there's one thing that I want to make very clear, and that is that each of these codes that we will be copy and pasting into terminal must be done one at a time. They cannot be copied and pasted all at once. It has to be one at a time, and as long as you follow me to the letter on this part of the video, you shouldn't have any issues when creating this bootable ISO image file for macOS High Sierra. So let's go over to the document, let's copy the first code here and paste it into terminal, enter, and as soon as you see your account name with the $sign or whatever you call that thing, you are ready. That's an indicator that you are ready to copy the next code. So let's grab code 2, copy, paste, enter. And as soon as you see, again, your account name with the $sign, you're ready to copy the next code. So let's grab code number 3 here, copy, paste, enter. Now you will need to enter your password here, so just enter in your password, and it'll say ready to start. If you wish to continue, type Y, then press return. So Y, return, and you'll see erasing disk. Now don't worry, the first time I saw this, I got scared and I thought, wait a minute, is this erasing my hard disk on my Mac? But it is not. It is just going through the process of creating or copying the installer files to the disk. So this doesn't usually take too long, but I will be back as soon as it is done copying these files. Alright, so it says complete, and we have the indication here that we're ready to copy in the next code. So let's grab code number 5, copy, paste, enter, and let's grab the last one here, number 6, copy, paste, enter, and you'll see reading disk and a bunch of dots will appear. That's indication it's just still going through the process. So I'll be back again as soon as this is done. Alright, so we are done. We have created the ISO image file that we need, and all we need to do is just close that other stuff, and you will see right here 2 disks. You will see a .dmg and a .cdr. The .dmg you don't really need, so you can pretty much just delete it, but the one we want is this one right here, and the last thing we need to do is simply just remove the .cdr and that period at the end, and we're done. So just delete that, enter, and click on use.iso, and you are pretty much ready to use this for whatever you want to do. You are done. We have officially created the macOS High Sierra bootable ISO image installer. Anyway, that about pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions or any problems that you ran into, whatever it might be, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will do my best to answer the questions or the comments, whatever it may be, to the best of my ability. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day. Peace out. Enjoy your day. Stay classy, and I'll catch you in the next one.